5 foods that whiten your teeth fast. Want whiter teeth but can't bring yourself to avail on those lofty whitening services and products? Growing up, you've probably been told by your elders to stay away from black coffee, red wine, and dark berries if you wish to achieve pearly white teeth. If that's the case, then surely there are also foods that you can eat for a brighter smile, right? Yes, you're correct. Certain foods can facilitate the whitening process of the teeth, and quickly at that. You probably aren't aware of them, but several minerals and compounds in some dishes are actually secret ingredients to whiter teeth. And you'd be over the moon to know that some of these foods are your faves, such as strawberries and pineapple. Surprised and intrigued? Continue watching this video to know more about these foods. Number 1. Strawberries. Strawberries can stain your shirt, yes, but ironically, they contain an enzyme called malic acid, which works to whiten the teeth. Aside from this, strawberries also have L-gittinins, which are antioxidants that reduce stain-attracting bacteria and inflammation in the mouth. To create a whitening paste using strawberries, crush the fruits and mix it with baking soda. Brush the concoction onto your teeth. Number 2. Pineapple. Bromelain is an ingredient that's commonly used in many whitening toothpaste products. Pineapple has this ingredient. It's a protein that's often found in natural toothpaste formulas to remove surface stains and help eliminate plaque. After a meal, eat a piece of pineapple and you'll instantly get that same protein. Pineapples also have anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for people with gingivitis due to bacteria buildup. Number 3. Dairy products. Dentists recommend stocking up on dairy products like cheese, milk, and yogurt for a healthier smile. Your mother might have told you to drink milk for strong bones, but not for a white smile. Well, believe it or not, dairy products are rich in lactic acid and the enamel-strengthening material, aka calcium, that also whitens the teeth. These properties also protect the teeth from decay, a factor that contributes to teeth yellowing and staining. Number 4. Apple. Your dentist probably already told you this. Eat an apple to clean or freshen your breath. Best of all, it whitens the teeth. It turns out that crunchy foods like apples are great for whitening the teeth because they're usually high in malic acid. As a result, it also helps strengthen your gums while increasing your saliva production due to the apple's high water content. You might be thinking, gross, but that extra saliva will wash away bacteria and food particles. Number 5. Broccoli. If crunchy fruits are good for the teeth, then so do crunchy veggies like broccoli, especially when consumed raw. Broccoli could be hard to chew, but the idea here is that as your teeth grind it, the broccoli strips the superficial stains off your teeth. Moreover, the longer you chew, the more saliva is produced, which aids in breaking down tough stains. Now, are you ready to stock up on those 5 teeth whitening foods? Let us know in the comments below. You can also share with us other teeth whitening foods or hacks up your sleeve.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.